Please remember to like and subscribe and click that notification button so you'll get my latest video notifications. I try to post weekly for you, and please check out all my content. Thank you for joining me today for this wide leg child's pose, and we're going to add thread the needle to it. So it's a combination of two different poses for you to try in your body. So we're going to go ahead and start with taking our legs nice and wide, our knees. You're going to go ahead, if you're right-handed, take your right foot over your left. If you're left-handed, put your left foot on top of your right. And go ahead and come on down. And we're going to extend the left arm forward, kind of to give us that nice base, pulling in through the belly. Extend the right arm out, and on an exhale, we're going to come down and bend down. You can leave your arm out, you can bring it in, or you can wrap it around your waist. Whichever is most comfortable in that left shoulder. And you want to stay in this pose 3 to 5 breaths or even longer if you'd like. Just really breathe into it. On each exhalation, go ahead and see if you can get a little bit more length. This is a great pose for yin. Go ahead and come on up. We'll go ahead and do it on the other side, extending the right arm forward. It's part of our base. Take out the left arm nice and straight and bring it through on that exhale, come down. Putting your arm in one of the 3 positions. You want to hold it the same on each side. So if you're doing it by breaths, count the same amount of breaths. If you're doing it by time, go and do it for the same amount of time and come on up. And that's it. All right, I hope you'll enjoy this pose breakdown, and go ahead and check out this video, which has the pose in it. I want you to try this new flow on joy. All right, have a great day. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really appreciate making content for you, and all your comments and everything really keeps me going. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.